Hi, it's Angie. I've made a set of 6 little cards and envelopes. They are 4x4 cards, and they are all birds, and they open that way. They're all garden birds and seabirds, and they're on a heavyweight linen cardstock. I don't know if you can you see the linen effect in the card? And they are blank inside. And they have a layer of rainbow mirror card, and then they've got the image on the top. So I'll just quickly show you the cards. There's that one, there's that one, and then the gulls. So that's the 6 cards, and then I've just made 6 little envelopes to go with it, with them rather. They all fit in really nicely. Again, they're gulls and sort of garden birds. They're all taken from a really nice little book, just images of birds, obviously. So yeah, I just thought I'd share those with you. Thanks for watching. Bye.